You can order your next Ford vehicle here pretty soon. Find out everything you need to know in today's video. In today's video, this is going to be a fun one because we're going to be talking about some ordering for the 2023 model year. Now, if you guys are fresh to the channel or if you've been following along for a while, you know that we're kind of the ordering kings here at Susquehanna Automotive. We've been doing it a ton on our Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram side. We've got a ton of vehicles coming in and we're ordering them every single day. Now with Ford, it was a little bit different due to the fact that certain vehicles had reservation requirements, the order banks were closing very rapidly, and just other things that were involved with the certain vehicle lineups that didn't allow us to order them as much as we wanted to. Well, I've got some good news for you today. The 2023 model year order banks are slated to open up here very soon, and in order for you guys to have the best chance to be a day one order, you're going to want to stay tuned to the rest of this video. But for right now, let's get into it. So as I mentioned before, probably the first reaction that Ford's had to, I would say, the chip shortages, some of the parts inventory problems, just a lot of issues that we've had in this COVID era. And I will tell you guys right away that Ford is not the only manufacturer that's been exclusively affected by this. Everyone is, and Ford is taking steps to make sure that we can still get you the vehicles that you want, but get them to you in a timely manner. The first thing that they're doing is called the inventory reframing and the stock order complexity reduction. Now, I know with the word complexity in there, that sounds pretty complicated, but broken down, it is a very simple process. Ford is basically saying for certain nameplates, including some of your more popular ones like the F-150 and Mustang, dealerships are now not going to have the ability to really customize those for their stock orders. A stock order is a vehicle that is ordered by our dealership for the general public to sit on the lot. So if you've driven by, you've seen vehicles out on the lot, those are stock orders. They're brand new vehicles that we get to choose the configurations we think will sell the best. With this, it is kind of neat for us is because on all sold, or as Ford calls them, retail orders, you still have the ability to completely customize and get the exact vehicle that you want. A retail order is placed by you, the consumer, to our dealership and then delivered specifically for you. It is built for you. It says your name all over the documents, and that vehicle is yours. It's the color you want, it's the trims you want, and it is everything that you want in your next vehicle. Now with this inventory reframing, the vehicles that are subject to this new program are going to be the Mustang, the Escape, the Bronco Sport, Edge, Explorer, Expedition, the Ranger, and the F-150 and the F-250. So a pretty decent lineup and some really cool nameplates on there. If you guys are searching around for that vehicle in a certain trim package with certain options, I'm going to tell you that the 23 model year is going to be pretty difficult to find in some of those. That's why ordering is really your best bet to get everything you want, and here at Susquehanna at the best price too. Now when you look at the back end here and the availability of the 23 model year, Ford has actually released some of the tentative model year order dates. Now what that means for you is that these order dates are tentative, so they're set to be open at a pretty kind of narrow time frame. The cool thing with that is we can actually see what vehicles are slated for which months, and that'll give us the ability to contact you guys if you're added to our list. Now stay tuned towards the end of the video. We'll let you know how to be added to that and how to make sure that you can get a day one order for a vehicle that might be a little bit more rare or might close off pretty quickly. Now for the month of June, we are starting to see our first order banks opening, and that's going to be for the new full-size and redesigned Expedition. The Expedition is pretty neat because you still have a ton of towing capacity, a lot of seating, and then the inside is completely redesigned from what it was in the past. You now get the Mach-E style full-size screen, you get a couple cool interior features, and a lot of neat trims that can haul your entire family and still be able to tow things like a camper and get you out there and having a good time. So that is slated to open in June, and then the next two big ones are going to be the F-150 and the Ranger, which are slated to open in mid-July. So July, in the middle of that, we'll be slated to open up these order banks, and I will tell you, if last year is any indication of how this year is going to go, they're going to be sold out pretty quickly. Once Ford hits a certain number of trims, colors, and different options, they're not going to leave these banks open. They're going to close them to make sure they can use the chips that they have and give them to those sold orders first. August is a little bit of a bigger month with the opening of the Maverick, the Bronco, the Mustang Mach-E, as well as the Explorer. So that's kind of a cool month when it comes to a lot of those bigger trims being available. So towards the end of this video, I want to talk about two of the most popular, I would say, models that Ford has, and probably a lot of the most buzz. So the first one here is going to be the Bronco. So the full-size Bronco, as you know, I'm a big off-road guy, and I love the introduction to that. It created competition with Jeep, and they're really just battling it out to see who can create the coolest and most capable off-road vehicle. Now with the 23 Bronco order banks going to be open sometime in August, what I can tell you and what our dealership owners have talked to me about is basically the lower and the easier the trim that you choose for the Bronco, the faster it's going to be built. So for instance, a big bend four-door and a soft top and limited options will actually get built and picked up pretty quickly. I know that it's not the coolest factory options options available, but what we can offer you here is we have the ability to customize a lot of these Broncos. If you guys are familiar with the page, we've built out a ton of these. We build them out for our customers. We can turn them into some pretty capable rigs just by adding on your own personal flair, and maybe not being able to choose the Sasquatch package isn't the end of the line, because you can add on the wheels, tires, lift kit, lights, front bumpers, winches, anything that you want right here at Susquehanna Automotive, and we can build that right into your payment. So clean and simple there. Basically, the most basic Broncos you're gonna order will come in faster. So that's a tried and true method, and a way for you to get the Bronco at a great price and to get it a little bit quicker than anticipated. Now, in the prior years with the Bronco, we know that they were pretty much reservation based. You had to start that reservation, or the reservation process was $100 in the very beginning. With this, the order banks are gonna be open. So with that being said, the Bronco's been so popular, I don't intend them to be open too long. That might create a little bit of a panic to you guys, but I don't intend those order banks to be open very long in August. So I'd say the sooner the better to get that order placed. So the next one, probably the bread and butter for Ford, is the F-150. I will tell you guys, I've worked on plenty of them, and I actually have a personal connection. My parents have owned and driven F-150s since the early 90s. It's the only truck that my mom, she's the driver of all of them, would actually own. So I will tell you that being kind of carted around as a kid in the late 90s, we had a purple F-150 extended cab. Now, it was dark purple, and my dad initially had nothing to do with it. He didn't want that vehicle, but my mom said, this is the only one on the lot, it fits the bill, and it meets the price that we want. So we decided to purchase it. We've had that one, we had an 03, we had a 2014, and she currently drives a 2021 F-150. And I will tell you, every time we bought one of those, or every time my family bought one, there was always sacrifices to be made because we didn't order. On the most recent 21, she had actually wanted a panoramic sunroof on it. She bought a fully loaded XLT in a nice shadow gray. It had everything, but it didn't have the gearing she wanted, and it didn't have the panoramic sunroof. But being in 2021, it was very limited production. She spent weeks searching around for that vehicle until she found one that almost met everything that she wanted. So with that being said, I will tell you, this is the first time I've ever heard say, Matt, you know, when the 23 comes out, put me on that list because I want to order one. I'll trade in my 21, get a really good trade value for it because it's extremely clean and trade-in values are through the roof. And then she's going to say, you know what, I'm finally ordering everything I want to on it. That was kind of cool for me to hear because there's been a lot of stigma around the ordering process, and I would say probably for the last 3 decades that they've been owning F-150s, is that it costs more, it took longer, you had to pay a premium to get the options you want, and in fact, all those could be no further from the truth. When it comes to ordering a vehicle, you're actually going to get a better price, so we're well below MSRP for all of our orders. You're going to get all the options you want, and right now, Ford and all auto manufacturers are placing priority on those sold orders. F-150 in specific is a real game changer when it comes to the 2023 model year. There's a lot of cool packages, the XL, the XLT, your Lariats, all of those are still around, but things like the Tremor package, which we actually have a full video coming out soon of a complete walk around, those are actually pretty quick to be available to order and actually get them in person. Some of the higher trims such as the Raptor, the King Ranch, and the Limited are a little bit tricky to get. We can still get them, however, they do take a little bit of time. With those standard F-150s like the XLTs and the Lariats, which you can really option out with power running boards, panoramic moon roofs, those we can get you pretty quick. But the best way to get them as fast as possible is to be added to our order bank inquiry list. Now here at Susquehanna Automotive, we strive to give you the best experience possible. Now what that means is that we're transparent with our numbers. We're going to give you a fair price with not a ton of red tape on there to make sure that you don't have to do anything crazy to get this order placed. We're going to give you numbers out the door. We have the ability to work with you if you're out of state. We can handle all of your title, taxes, registration, everything in-house to make it a seamless and easy process. Now if you want to be added to that list, simply hover over this screen with your camera. We're going to drop a QR code where you can go on our Ford site, submit a small little form, and then you're added right onto it. Or if you want to make it even easier, shoot me an email directly. I will drop it down in the comments below. Now, if any of you guys are any of my Jeep customers that have been following along, drop a comment and let these Ford folks know that this is no games and this is straight up good business that we're doing here. We've placed a ton of those orders. I added people to our email list and we sent them out constant updates throughout the entire process. And then on day one, we called everyone, got their orders placed, and they couldn't be happier. So we really love doing this. It's a way that we can give you the best experience as possible and also give you all the knowledge that we're seeing on the back end without you having to call 20 dealerships to talk to 20 different people that don't know anything about these new vehicles. We want to make sure you guys are handled the right way the first time, and that's why I'm Matt with Susquehanna Automotive, and I look forward to your call.